Hello, my name is Brittany Bennett, and I am going to be going over the coil method of the radial head. The patient preparation will involve confirming the patient's identity in 3 ways. Wristband or paperwork, ask the patient to state their name and date of birth. If female, confirm the last menstrual cycle. Confirm with the patient what we are imaging to confirm the order is correct before imaging the patient. Make sure to shield the patient with the appropriate lead shield. IR size will be a 10 by 12 cassette. The IR orientation will be portrait or lengthwise. The IR location will be tabletop, and the SID will be 40 inches, which is 100 centimeters. In order to get the 40 inches with angulation, you have to use the rule for every 5 degrees, drop 1 inch of SID. In this case, there was 45 degrees angulation, so the SID on the machine will read 31 SID before you angle it to ensure you get the 40 inches with angulation. The patient position you will see is patient is seated at the end of the table in the erect position. Legs and feet are not directly under the table, but to the side. Part position, you will see that the hand is pronated and the elbow is flexed to 90 degrees. The CR location is centered to the radial head or mid-elbow joint, which is the axial lateral medial projection. The central ray angulation will involve being 45 degrees toward the shoulder. The collimated field size is 5.2 by 5.2 inches, collimated 1 inch past the skin line. The visual of the appropriate marker location, you will see that this is the right elbow. So we use the right marker at the bottom to where the light is hitting the image receptor. The KVP range for the real patient is 60 KVP. Instructions to the patient for exposure is you will ask the patient to hold still. Anatomy demonstrated. The radial head and the capitulum have open joint space. The epicondyles and the humerus are distorted due to the 45-degree angulation. You will also be able to see the humerus, the capitulum, lateral epicondyle, olecranian process, radial head, radial neck, radial tuberosity, compact bone, cancellous bone, coronoid process, ulna, trochlear notch, and radial notch. The items that are in profile are the radial neck, radial tuberosity, and the radial head. The pathology best demonstrated with the coil method is trauma of the radial head fractures. In addition, you will be able to see the elbow for dislocations and fractures as well. And that sums it up for today. Thank you so much for your time.